Kasi nga, ang nangyari nun, wala akong, di ba sabi ni VP siya, may 7, 9 na warnings, di ba? Ako, nung pagbisita ko nung hapon na yon, 5 minutes bago matapos ang visitation namin, time namin, sinabihan ako nung isa doon. Sabi niya na, nung July 19 daw, nung phone conversation namin, meron daw akong sinabi. Sabi ko, about the case. Sabi ko, I don't know anything about the case. Kaufman is not discussing anything about the case. You know that, Mr. Kaufman. I have not asked a single paper from you on whatever it is that you are doing, so I cannot talk about the case. And also, nung time na yun, 5 minutes bago matapos, sinabihan na lang ako na isususpend daw ako. Ang sabi pa nga ni PRD, doon sa lalaki na nagsabi na, sabi niya, you cannot do that. Ginanyan niya. Kasi, he is expecting me. He knows that this is my turn. This is my time right now. This is my schedule to visit him. And, ako kasi nurse, diba? Na-assess ko siya. Yung first time ko na, itong visit ko na ito, the only day na nag-visit ko siya, nung pagdating ko talaga, straight from the airport, ilagay ko lang yung gamit ko sa hotel, in-assess ko na siya. Nakita ko na yung dito niya, malalim. Yun. Tapos, check ko sa kanya, control ang emotions ko na Tapos, after nung just 5 minutes, saka ako nilapitan nung lalaki. Sabi niya, sususpend daw. And this is exactly what the PRD said. You cannot do that. Sinabi niya. Tapos the following day, wala na akong visit. Sabi ko sa kanya, I don't say anything about the case. All I tell him is, he asked me usually about the news. I'm sure the same kami ng sinabi ni VP, kasi news yun eh. Pareho kami ng sinabi ni VP, kasi narinig niya rin yun sa news. Kaya nga sabi ni VP, di ba, narinig niyo ba yun? Kayo na nagsabi nun, di ba, na may 7 or 9 warnings ako. I didn't receive any. Ito lang ang masasabi ko. Sinabi ko na kay Mr. Kaufman. Sabi ko, wala namang, alam ko, I have nothing against you, pero please do not deprive us of, asking other people or asking legal opinions from other lawyers also. Pero we acknowledge you as his lawyer. Pero sabi ko nga sa kanya, baliktad tayo. Asawa mo, ikaw kaya ang nasa loob. Ano kaya ang gawin ng asawa mo? The last time, every time I go there, I tell him, he would always ask, PRD would always ask, kumusta na? Makaano na ako, no? We cannot talk about the case. Pagkatapos ko dito, tatawagan ko ang lawyer para sa kanya mo tanungin lahat. Ganyan, always recorded yan. Recorded yan. Gusto ko nga igawin nilang public yung conversation eh. Wala ako doong ma-discuss about sa case because sabi ko, Mr. Kaufman, I'm not asking any paper from you. You are not talking to me about a case or any of your associates. And you accuse me of I'm talking about, ikaw ang dinidiretso ko. Ikaw ang dinidiretso ko. Bihira ako makausap sa mga kasama mo na. Nagdagdag ka na ng mga lawyers dyan. So I have nothing against you. So alam ko doon ka na nagalit eh. Galit ka na doon for me. I know you are protecting your practice. I don't know if you're trying to prove something. Pero kami, we are concerned about the life of this man. He is family. He is the father of my daughter. He is the father of DP, Paulo, and Baste. So, yun lang. Sabi ko nga, baliktarin natin. Ang asawa, ikaw ang nasa loob. Ano kaya ang gawain ng asawa?